Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will install Windows 98 on VMware Workstation Pro. So guys, this video is requested by one of my subscribers. So let us begin the video.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but
Okay, let us begin by creating new virtual machine. Now select Custom button and click on Next. Now for the hardware compatibility, select Workstation 5.exe. The reason we are selecting Workstation 5.exe is because it is the only one version of VM Ware which supports Windows 98. Now click on I will install operating system later, then click on Next. Now select Windows 98 and click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next again. Now give it a gigabyte of RAM, then click on Next. Now let the network be on NAT and click on Next. Now click on Next again. Click on Next again. Next again. Now select Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click on Next. Click on Next. Now click on Customize Hardware. Now click on CD/DVD and select the ISO file of Windows 98. Now close the window and click on Finish. Now near the play icon, press on the down arrow and click on Power onto firmware. Now click on View and click on Stretch Guest and click on Free Stretch. Now it will be on full screen mode. Now in firmware, go to Boot and select CD-ROM and click on plus button on your keyboard. Now go to Exit and click on Exit Saving Changes. Now select on Boot from CD-ROM and select first option.
To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite.
Now press Enter on your keyboard. Now press Enter on your keyboard again. Now select Enable Large Disk Support and press Enter. Now restart the PC. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, select Boot from CD-ROM again. Select the first option again. Now this will format the C drive. Now after formatting, press on Escape key on your keyboard and press any key on your keyboard to restart the computer.
That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Now select on boot from CD-ROM. Now select the second option.
In your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore.
Now a command prompt will appear. Now switch to C drive by typing C:. Now type mkdir Win98 and press enter. Now to switch to CD drive, type E: and press enter. Now type copy Win98 C: Win98. Now to switch back to C drive, type C:, and press enter. Now type cd Win98 to go to directory which we have created, and type setup and press enter. And press enter again. From now on, you can remove the ISO file from the VMware. Now press continue. Now click on next.
I wanna put up all my walls 'cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room.
Now select on typical and click on next.
It can all be worth it.
Now select first option and click on next.
Damn, it hurts, man.
Now keep computer name and workgroup as it is and click on next.
Hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently.
Now click on United States and click on next. Click on next again. Now click on cancel. Now click on OK. Now this will install the Windows 98 image. Now I will skip this part and see you after installation. Okay, now I am back. Now click on OK button. Now click on Restart Now. Now this will restart the system. Now type your user information and click on Next. Now click on I accept on agreement and click on Next. Now showing product key is illegal according in terms of YouTube. So I will skip this part. Now click on Finish. Now it will do some hardware detection. This will take some minutes, so I will skip this part. Now select the date and time and click on Close.
I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot.
Now this will do some of its process. I will be back after that process.
Felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff. You never know what's hard. With a back to the Mac, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like a man.
Now click on Restart Now.
Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time.
Now if you get error like this, you have to restart your virtual machine couple of times.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I want a way I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Now after that, click on OK. And boom, the PC is fixed. Now let us do some tasks on this PC.
Sick of the venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, that is so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws.
If you guys like the video, please subscribe and like the video, because it gives me motivation to do more videos. By the way, thanks for watching. Peace.